Not surprisingly, we have found in applications all around the country that the success of access control systems often depends on the quality of power. Many of the Surefire products require 12 volts DC and 1 amp. Most regulated transformers will work just fine. We have found a few that cannot ramp up the power quickly enough for the Surefire unit. Here you see some of the indicators that power might be a problem. When you are trying to test or trying to transmit after swiping a card or punching in the code, and the lights do this, it's indicating power cycling, which requires better power, a different power supply, or adding a battery to the system. This blinking light can indicate under or over voltage depending on the frequency and means the power should be reassessed. Andy over at Roland and Boat Storage in southern Idaho had a power issue. I met with him and we were able to get this most remote gate working through all these steel buildings. Andy explains.
Okay, Andy Roland. I'm with Roland RV and Boat Storage in Pocatello, Idaho. We've got a facility here where we store motorhomes, boats, any type of our recreational vehicle. It covers about 10 acres. We have 5 gates in this facility. 3 of the gates are pretty distant from our office, and so the Surefire solution to connect our cloud controllers to the gate operators is a really good solution for us. It allows us to run all the operators in a controlled environment and not have to pull conduit across several hundred yards and multiple buildings. So we hooked up Surefire to this gate controller. This is our most distant gate. We're probably a good third of a mile from our cloud controller, going through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pretty sizable metal buildings, a lot of obstructions, there's no line of sight, and we've plugged it in and we've got a great connection. It works great. I was very impressed with the receive and transmit capability through all these obstructions. I'm a satellite engineer by training, and so we deal a lot with obscura and obstructions. So this is kind of my field in my other life, and I was very impressed with the performance of the Surefire.
Surefire. Feed it good power and it can do wonders. For questions on product features and support, call a qualified Surefire technician at 844-787-3340.